Invideo Studio versus Invideo AI. Which package is better? In this video, we're going to differentiate and we're going to find out the advantages and the disadvantages of the Invideo Studio and the Invideo AI. And we're going to see which between these packages is the best. InVideo Studio is the traditional editor. It gives you full control, drag and drop design, transitions, and an intuitive timeline for precise video edits. In contrast, InVideo AI is built for speed. Just input a prompt or script, and the AI generates a full video complete with voiceovers, visuals, and music. Studio is great for people who love building videos piece by piece, while the AI version is best for those who need fast, automated content. Both are strong, but for very different reasons. It all depends on how hands on you want to be with your edits. If you value creative control and professional polish, Studio is still unmatched, letting you tweak every second of your video with high quality assets and effects. But for busy creators or marketers who need volume and speed, InVideo AI dramatically shortens the process by turning your ideas into videos in minutes, even if you have no editing background. The best case scenario, use both. Start with AI to get a draft, then refine it in the studio for that high quality customized feel.